Sapay kuma
Tanaragsak tuti bumayanda Nudong ti tiyempo.
Hello mahal,
Kumusta kan?
nabayag laibin at itanagkita. Sapay kuma
Ayat ko nagsublikan Tapno pabaruet na Di ayat anakil ka.
Sapay kuma kasumangpet ka.
Ayan, so thank you so much, Mag-Single Delegations, for that piece. Ayan, thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Jose Soria. Ayan, for sharing your blessings to us. Maraming salamat po, sirs and ma'am. More blessings in return po. Ayan, may we request Ate Mads, please be here front. Ate Madeline, pakiyanas man paigpasangon san. Kastoy ko makinanayin, birthday ko mga inaldaw, apo niya. Tat ado ti blessings nga ipaayda kanya tayo. Ayan, insan. Pag mo masyadong iharap. Ayan, so sa mga nandito po, maraming salamat for gracing this celebration. Thank you so much for sparing your precious time with us. Thank you. So later on, we will be witnessing the candle of blowing of our celebrator. For the meantime, let's have another raffle draw. Meron pa raffle, di ba? Okay, please do the honor. Ilan pa ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay! Asa na mga tickets? Color red! Color red! Ayan. Code number, we have 7, 0, 6, 7, 8, and 5. 706-785 in 10, 9, 8. Ay, dito na. Ayan. Okay, may I see the look? 706-785. It's correct. Ate, niya kayo mo kulay. Choose. What color do you want? Yellow, red, purple, yellow, green, or orange? Okay, ito. Ayan. Ayun, green. Ayan. Pa-picture taking po. Kaya, please do the honor in awarding. Dyan na lang. Ayan. Congratulations. Another 2. Dalawa pa. Oh, pwede ka awit apo. Ado pa itipot-putanda nga ipa-bitor. Color yellow! And the code number is 88550. And the last number is 5885505 in 10, 9, 8, 7. Ayun, meron na. Ay, duplek lang. 885505. O, tama. 885505. Ayan, so once again, maraming salamat to our dear Balikbayans, Mr. and Mrs. Jose Soria, palapakan tayo man apo. Thank you, sirs and moms, for sharing your blessings. What color? I want the bagasan pit.
Mati, pa ako Babaruga, papi, Brad.
Ayan. Congratulations! Picture taking, Alpasan. Last one. And last, isa pa. And the color is red! Asan yung mga nakahawak na red? Ayun. And the code number is 70766. And the last number 5707665 in 10 9 8 7 takbo! Ayan. Si Nathaniel Aragon. 7076665. Okay, pili ka dito niya ang kulay tigaya mo. Na? Dini, purple, orange, red or yellow? Red latan? O red lata kanon? Ano yung ate pang manaman? For adult? Okay. Picture taking? Nathaniel? Ayan. O, diba? Okay. Nga tataa po, ikantay mo tigundaway nga pansumala ti salunan, our dear balikbayan from Pennsylvania, Mr. Dwayne Paul Rabat. Sir, the dance floor is yours. What piece? Sweet music. Okay. Sir and ma'am, kindly, another sweet music to our dear balikbayan from Pennsylvania. Dwayne Paul Rabat, the dance floor is yours. Kaya dagiti mayat-met lata apong sumabay, makijoin apo ti sala, tito'y salunan. Mabalin lata apo, o may kay makiragragsak. Okay, surutan apo dagiti kakabagyan when of family members na apo ni Sir Dwayne Paul Rabat from Pakang Santa Maria.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and couldn't ask for more.
So it's all fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you.
Gonna be with
You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know where. If I ever fall in love again,
stay. I guess I'm set to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
And I know when your heart is hard to let someone inside.
Oh,
In your arms,
I feel I'm ready now to try. Oh,
so if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can break, I know it's gonna be with you.
gonna be with
You're the one to pull me through.
though I don't know it.
If I ever fall in love again,
I'll be a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life. When I know I gotta take it slow. Oh. I know it's gonna be with you.
Gonna be with
You're the one to pull me through.
though I don't know it.
If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.
Yeah, once again, thank you so much po.
Ayan, so maraming salamat Sir Dwayne, Rabat and Company for that piece. Thank you so much. Okay, nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Parang wala naman. Hello! Hi! Happy! Happy! Okay, ngartataa po. Thank you so much for your participation. Okay, ngartataa po. Intay mat ikandikundaway nga pansumala. Dagiti kakabagyan ni Apo birthday celebrator tayo, Ate Mads, from Amianan Delegations. Oh, Amianan Delegations. Sirs, kapit ating nga sunata, Baguio. Okay, let's have another. Anya, sweet, balse, or... Balse sweet. Balse kan sweet ka no, ma'am.
Ekcha.
Kaya sa gamit yung makaigam ti siko.
Bal sweet na ta.
Bal sweet latan, ma'am. Bal sweet. Okay, Amianan Delegations. This piece is for you.
There's another one. Bumaludip ka man manong, ipaludip mo man na naisip mamata. Pagparangin man, galit mo inapapalan, makaabo kay rik na, di padang analasa.
Lasang
Day tatakder mo, aniyan anak taer. Nagtaer kan manong, makapapakar baruko. Harapaap na katib, siya sino man asabog. May kaput talugadi, naguwapukan manong. Naguwapukan manong, pumaludip ka man. Umisip ka man, di mo ka ipag-ida. Nagwabukan manong kumigmat ka man.
nagkaman,
Ikaliyaw mo man,
tanaa mo arupa.
no di ka makita. No di ka makita, mas na ay tirik na. Al-ali mo neti, rurut ko ken kura. Nuwada inas, ay kakasarsarita. Nagpapada, naku daw ang ipen mo. Mangal alino, ang kiba-kiba apyuso. Mariribukan pa'y unay tinakem ko. Nuitun kanua, mata mo titig na ito. Nakuha mo kan manong pumaludit ka man. Umbisen ka man, di mo ka di paitan. Nakuha mo kan manong humigmat ka man. Italyaw mo man, tanaa mo arupa. Yan.
Ayan, maraming salamat Amyanan Delegations for the feeds. Okay, raffle ulit tayo. Agress na pa yung apo, dagdi singers tayo, kada dancers mo at apo. O tatlo na lang, Kaya. We have 3 more left for the raffle draws. Ayan, color yellow! Okay, code number 026773 026773. And you are 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oy, may nanalo. 026773. And it's correct. Ate, tatlo na lang yung natitira. What color do you want? Orange, purple, or yellow? It's color orange. The color of the night. Ayan. Kaya, can you do the awardee and picture taking? RD, asan ka na RD? May we have your presence? Picture taking. Kaya, kindly stand up, Kaya. Okay, another 2. Dalawa pa, Kaya, 2. Oh, Uncle, si Kaman tagbunot, Uncle. Nagsalang to damdamaan, Uncle, busy pala dyan. And you pick red. Okay, and the code number is 70673. And the last number is 070673. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 706-730. Ayun, ni kaanakan. It's correct. O, dalawa na lang. Yellow or purple? Yellow. O, picture taking, kaanakan. Uncle, picture. Insan? Kaya kayo saan pa? Okay, before we proceed to the last raffle draw, okay, ngarta ta apo, ikantay mapay tigundaway, nga pansumalamet apo, dito'y salunan, nagiti batchmate apo ni Ate Mads from elementary. To be led by Mr. Chester. Dandin and Company. Okay, balse ka naman na sir and ma'am. Okay, sirs. This piece is for you. Batchmate of Ate Mad from elementary level.
Di karayo, kain-kain kalay di Dagiti untunoy kumain ka aklune Taim pagarok, munsa na bareng-bareng Ulbo dalilaw, manang irurube Nairut hakarik, ken sa patakawan patiem Nais di ka na panagununoy ko Di ka pa'y tingin Amin na panagutikot ko Di ka pa'y lalaisin Habang ang idadanas pa nang irurumi
Ayan, may dawat man apo. Dagiti batchmate ni Ate Max from elementary. Na may nasumala apo.
Apakabukayan dayta kaasim Pakayang tapnon ayat mo kasudie Ketak piagap asita taligenge.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Hindi pa po, sir. Hindi pa tapos. Sir.
Karayo, gain-gain kalay di Dagiti untunoy ko nga ika-aklune Tay pagarok, unsa na bareng-bareng Ulbo dalilaw, manang irurumi Nairuti kayot kutibab, bakit nusumip-ngit Nais di ka na panagununoy ko Di ka pa'y tingin Amin nga panagutikot ko Di ka pa'y lalaisin Habang ang idadanas pa nang irurumi Nairot hakarit Ken sa batakawan patiyan Nais di ka na panagununoy ko Di ka pa'y tingin Amin na panagutikot ko Di ka pa'y lalaisin Habang ang idadanas pa nang irurumi
Okay, so thank you, batchmate ni Ate Mads, for the piece. Okay, nga tatamat apo, ikantay mo tigundaway nga palmat. Patapukan di salunan, dagiti bantay kalsada tayo apo, dagiti tanods. Ayan, agi barangay puts tayo apo. Ating kasunatakit para kaniayo. Surutan ko mamot, dagiti ngungoten da nga kapitan. Ni apo kapitan kumamit ni sumala. Request ka ni request apo kapiani. Request ni birthday celebrant agsalang hakano. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Ating kasunata sa laen ti barangay officials of Barangay Nangoneg. Ngayon wali ti kungoten da nga kapikugoten nga kapitan. Nagwapo. Naaliptak, none other than Noar Dominguez and Company.
Isip mapakabiyagat agmurmuray dagit ti matag, luwisot makaagas, mangliliwat to'y kaungga. Isam nga duti sa wena, at na isang
Kagawad Flores, Kagawad Dominguez, Kapiani.
Kaya sa mapagusto kenda. Ore ada aming kanyak arigat, ore penu agpupuntuta, ore penu agpaspasog nun, Luis man nakrik mapagmayaan. Isem, umisem ka man biyag ko, lawlawagan, manto'y barukong ko, naisem mo, isot mga ayon, dahil ti pusok na buwan tilimdo.
Ayan. The barangay officials of Barangay Nangunig. Naginitanod sa Apo. Ayan nyo.
Isang mapagkabiyagag, agmurmuray dagit ti matag, luwisot makaagas, mangliliwat to'y kaunggag. Isang nga
Kaya kayo na po ta babay ka nun ni Kapitan iso nga da kamin kin nga konsal ng timak isono. Kap na mabalbalin ko mama kung may kumamot nagsala.
And the talots, please. Barangay Police of Barangay Nangunig. I'm here to the dance floor.
Isang mapagkabiyagag, agmurmuray dagit ti matag, luwisot makaagas, mangliliwat to'y kaungga. Isam nga duti sa wena, at na isam ang makabura, at na isam nga rin awen na ka, yan isam pa magusto kenda. Oray ada aming kanyak arigat, oray penu agpupuntutak, oray penu agpaspasog nudak, no isman nakrik mapagmayaan. Isem, umisem ka man biyag ko, lawlawag man ti barukong ko, naisem mo, isot mangay ayon, dahil ti pusok na buwan tilindong. Isem, umisem ka man biyag ko, lawlawag man ti barukong ko, naisem mo, isot mangay ayon, dahil ti pusok na buwan tilindong.
Okay, Agyamayaman, Kagawad Dominguez and Kagawad Flores for that piece. Thank you so much, and to all barangay officials of Barangay Nangunig. Thank you so much. Okay, let's have another request. Okay, ating kasunatang arot apo, sa lain met, the delegations from Dinalawan. Ayan. Dalakigtot apo nga na-mention si Barangay da. Okay, the Dinalawan delegations, this piece is for you.
Anya nga po.
Sweet rock or balse. Buduts? Anya, ana. Ne, di premieran na ni dapat pagpa-premyo na ni Diyos. Rock ka naman na, sir and ma'am. Another rock music from Dinalawan delegations. A music maestro. ng mga taga-Dinalawangan. The dance floor is yours.
Someone told me long ago, there's the calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so to say, in the rainy, sunny day, I know, shine down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold, the rain is gone. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle, past and snow. I know, it can't stop.
Ayan natin na po Dinalawan delegations.
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Yeah, yeah, coming down on a sunny day.
At kurang so sa halakaypay. At suwal sa bang sangagas. Ayan, so thank you so much Dinalawan delegations for the pace. Thank you. Nga tatamit apo at may isang request tayon. Another balse coming from Mr. Felix and Pedro Cabalse of Barangay Nangunek. Where they are? Okay, Mr. Felix and Pedro Cabalse, this piece is for you. And together with Uncle Doming.
Benggel manong anyan ang nagwapukan, mabuyo-buyirik na nanayon hinggat naling sana paling pa rin natalingin
Ayan, so thank you so much, Uncle Duming, Uncle Felix and company, and Uncle Pedro for that piece. Maraming salamat po. Okay, ngartatamit apo, ikantay met nga ti Chance, kapan sumala dagiti Cabrera siblings, Artie, Adrian, and Angelica. The dance floor is yours, Artie, Adrian, and Angelica. Anya nga tukar. Artie, where are you? Adrian and Angelica. Naglimang dansamot to. Artie, Adrian, Angelica. Okay. Si Adrian nandito na. Where is RD? RD and Angelica, please be here in front.
Yan kantada po.
Sweet music latan, ma'am. Okay, once again, may we request RD, Adrian, and Angelica to please have a dance. Sweet music, maestro. So alamin mo na gundaway apo, ti agyaman, ti amin na nakidanggay, iti birthday celebrations ni Ate Mads. Thank you so much for your precious time.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. Might have took the long way. And then we get this someday. They say I bet you'll never make it, but just look at that's all they know. We're still together, still going strong.
You're still the one.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. We're still the one I want for life.
Siyempre, winter is
Still the one.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream. Oh, we're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together, and that we didn't listen. Look, tutak pa
Ayan. Palakpakan tayo man, Apo. The grandpa and the Camero siblings. Wow. Grabe.
Mga nagramaram.
Okay, let's have another. Okay, once again, thank you so much. RD, Adrian, and Angelica together with their loving grandpa for that piece. Yan. Ngartataa po tayo sa ng span sumala. Another request, sweet music, coming from Mr. RJ Cacho from Pacang, Santa Maria. RJ Cacho and company, this piece is for you.
Thinking about our younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down the road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Someone who will turn you all around, break you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. Oh, there's a lot that I could say, but just hold me now, 'cause a lot you lied to away. And baby, you're all that I want. When you lie here in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. The good times in the bed, yeah, I was standing there by you. Oh. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe
So once again, thank you so much to Mr. RJ Cacho from Pacang Santa Maria and company for that piece. Okay, kartataa po. Another dance for all piece. Salain na po dagitimayan. Dayang-dayang.
Okay, so dayang.
Dayang kanuman ako.
Okay. Ikalaingan nga sumalat. Daman natin premyo na. Yun.
At na premyo na lahat tanap.
Natanimada Mads. Amang premyo. Okay. Salaan. Dagiti mayat. Dagiti makabaol. Sa taga magsinggang, kakabigan, taga
Diri miha aboy na maya minulbulga lao may bulgilala maus ka na nabri padayang-dayang ako makakala na todo tinalalapa pirit, pipirit ay papirit, papirit nabangsit na'y tapipit, piripit ay dayang hiyada papi napir kakakalaasi iyahidayang nahiyala si pipi abuto papakani yunoon maamanti laon lawa imundi pahayani oh pirit pipirit pipirit ay papirit 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 pirit ay dayang oy Nuni ayat ika sa pulam mang paragsak de tarik na ijantay agin kukuna agin pamakipot agin paantangina isabat-sabat tarik na parang awan itsuna na nanapintas di ganda na mangilong aking kakinaag may baysa pirit pipirit pirit pipirit ay papirit 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 pirit 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 ay dayang ay dayang thank you po. Thank you so much po Ma'am Madeline for another sa tip po namin. Thank you po. Tanuitan hakagangan sa ipakat mo di kaya't di tarik ng uray pobrero naman ang uray pugot mo na nakpang nagdilmaan saan nakit unay habang bangutan pirit pipirit
okay,
pirit pipirit ay papirit papirit namang si Jay Taffy fit pirit pirit pirit
Salata.
Okay, requested song, Kawawang Bartag ka na po ko na ni Ma'am Mats. Yeah, once again, happy birthday!
Mama. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's enjoy the night.
Arumta na po dagi tayo, Ma'am Bartag. Yeah! Si Boy ang Kawawang Bartag,
Tira, mami.
hindi siya gumagastos. Narawot siya sa arakas, jay din sa pulutan. Inot-inot siya naglilibas, pagsiitat tulang na lang ang nasa lamisan. Yeah! At doon sa ating anak kalsada,
Hey!
ang mga siya na naglalakaw, nagtatanggol, nagtsatsa, kahit walang tuka. Ang Kawawang Bartag, hey, 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 palaging nauulaw, nagtatayak ng kanyang lubong. Ang Kawawang Bartag, dahil sa sobrang bartag, di mapigilan ang pagsasaruan. Agis bupay jay idada, ada kita mangisbaw. Mangisbaw ang tagang namunang place ng bakan. Si Boy ang Kawawang Bartag, sa bangko ay di makatakbar. Debes sa'yo din siya at itutulot sa balay. Ingat siya. Naglalasaw. Rat. How na isang at pipilitan niya at patosap ay dog-dog, ma'am. Ang sabi ay dinanog daw siya at aawis ng apa. Ang Kawawang Bartag, palaging nauulaw, nagtatayak ng kanyang lubong. Ang Kawawang Bartag, dahil sa sobrang bartag, mapigilan ang pagsasaruan. Agis bupay dyan idada, ang kalpa pa si Kemal Masek. Apo, dagitian na kayo apo nga babasek.
Nasala. Adupay na, adupay.
Pagpatinga kayo apo, pagpatinga. Nailata na po dito yan, may. No si kay kat martal, amin nga urat lumtag. Nabangsit ka sangap, nabangsit ka sangap, libakot mukot maulaw. No tubay tu iti nagrugiyam, agran nga panakita. Weno masubraham, weno mapalaluam, demonton ang muntikinwam.
Sige!
Lumitam kay takudil mo ay angkal nganikan. No di ka mamenga makapukan, umay,
Umayan!
Ugis sa bahay. Umayan na dalaw. Ang kalagpagpati nga kay man. Ay! Ugis sa bahay.
Di ba na? Ibangin! Umalis kayo!
Hindi ka tagbirok morta na kayo.
Nakalaling na magsipaw. Nakalaling nagsipaw.
Okay!
Sipaw. Okay. Langarot. Sino tawan dinala na? Oh, agtugaw. Doon tumanan. Ni nakaado. Nakaado ka mo to? Sana alls.
Okay, ma'am. Apo,
Okay, sana lang ka raw,
hindi
sana.
kayo malang basit apo tapno
Huwag pa
kwa.
kasi kayo mga Madam Sir and Madam
Kasi
Sir.
basta dakam mo tinabartat na po dito yan.
Ay, matong
Papatay nga kay basit ka kaskat na yun.
Jai.
Angkal dito kayo nga bandawan.
Dati ko na linya.
Wan, no?
Sino
Okay,
di
ada-
marangis agbayad?
Nung mabos dito nga banda.
Tapos ito bayad.
Agbayad ti 1.5 apaw.
Niya, apa yang kal di sapatos mo?
Ay, sabin ti saka. Oo, sabin saka na.
Partida. Okay, di yan. Pati nga kayo, naman na nagsagsaga naman ni Madam Madelina.
Okay, another kasad song, Puton
Puton
Titaltalong
Titaltalong ka na.
Apo,
here
dito
we
kayo
go.
basit kasi maipit kami pag lalo
Yun eh.
nung kwakan.
Maipit ato di
Baka
lamay.
matuwang tumanan apo, dagiti gamit me. Please po.
Lang po. Yaman kami, ti ano siyo. Okay, here we go. Kuton di taltalo ka na. Request ni Ma'am Mads. Takilang, ang kay nga glabos dito, kabasat anay.
1.5 apo, ti balor na.
Okay, yan! There we go! Tira!
Ha? Aha!
Sige!
Labanan! Hey! Papasay ka lang! Angkal, 1.5 kan! Ha? Apo! Yeah!
Rangis ka lang, Carl! Rangis! Oh! Lusak to ti agasawa, pilyekto tayadot
Kap na.
Bakit?
Anak kulkul ba?
Madudan! Nagpaisutay kung tunada, Kurait, bakit numasulat ang luwak? Lukod kudim, ay kumayet kita. Oh, sabay-sabay!
Yeah!
I went kudkudum kumagat, kudkudum nagatel. Hari kabel, ayat daw kalukal. Kita em, detay kukot nakadaktakal. Tekagat na ang lumabag. Nakagat-gatel, nakaslaabang. Hindi mo,
Ay, apaw!
lutong titangkal. Hey guys, sabay!
Oh, pakawanan niyo apo dahil tayo nakatubay tayo.
Hop! Alwanta nyo, baliktad. Dito natin. Tira mangkal. Awan, mapang ka, Jim. May durunda ka.
Nay, nay, abay durduron mo sa sarili mo.
Okay. Kaya't tulaing yan, day bakla. Day babae, lagi mo rilya.
Laban.
Day bakla. Pamul mula magulimag da.
150 ko na dapat.
Yan day babae, apong ang era.
Sigurado pa.
Ay nga skandalosa, anang sabda. Mangag dito nang unag mais. I went kudkudang kumagat, kudkudang nagatel. Hari kapem, ayan na ukol-ukol. Kudkudang nakadakdakel. Kay kagat na alumabaga.
Nakagat-gatel.
Nakaslaabang, hindi mo.
Yeah!
Kutong italtalo. Sige! I went kudkudang kumagat, kudkudang nagatel. Hari kapem, ayan na ukol-ukol. Kita em.
Ukal-ukal!
Dede kukong nakatanggal. Kay kagat na alumabagat. Nakagat-gatil ang aslaabag. Hindi mo kutong titangtalo. And them all kutong titangtalo.
Aguro uray daw, Hamad.
Sige lang,
Awan di mo
Juan.
uray doon.
Sige lang.
Everybody dance!
Angka lang ako.
Sige!
Ang akwarta day ta.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Uy, bakit? Allah!
Okay, here we go! Sumabay ka na lang, wag kang mahihiya.
Aha.
Sige, subukan mo,
Go, Kap!
baka may mapalang.
Go, Kap!
Bebe, hindi ka, bebe, baka mapistit ka
Kapag
na.
nagtsatsaga,
Go, Kap!
kung gusto mo, sundan mo lang ako. Here we go, sabay-sabay!
1, 2,
3, 4! Jump Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to?
Ay, dagdagan makyo apo, narigat na karamay.
Kaya mo ba to?
Halakagay ka.
Di kami ba to? Para magpatalo, Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Sabay-sabay! Sumakay ka na lang, kung trip mo rin ito. Katawaan lang,
Yeah.
sige subukan mo. Diret-diretso lang, sige itudo mo.
Apang tubay na, Uncle.
Ipakita mo na kaya-kaya mo. Sabay-sabay! 1, 2, 3, 4! Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Kaya mo ba? Ay!
Kaya mo ba to? Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami ba to? Para magpatalo, Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Yay! Ultimo! Eh, Jaya!
Lang!
Tulyar tadi yan! Tulyaran!
Yan!
Oh, tulyaran!
Next!
Hey!
Tulyaran!
Hey!
Oh! Sumakay ka na lang kung trip mo rin ito.
Hey!
Katuwaan lang,
Hey!
sige subukan mo.
Hey!
Dire-diretso
Sige,
lang,
Bob.
sige itutog mo. Ipakita mo na kaya-kaya mo.
Dahil duro
Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4! Jumbo hotdog! Kaya mo ba to?
Hey!
Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Hindi kami ba to?
Para magpatalo, Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Hello!
Oh!
Dali yung pingin ako.
Alam! Wala, ipatan nyo na kita cellphone nyo, tatlong baka mapitak. Oh, tayo'y mag-ocho-ocho! Ocho-ocho!
Ada pasir po, pakasjay. Pakasjay po kayo. Pakasjay kayo, apo.
Ocho-ocho! Sige mo!
Ocho-ocho pa. Pakasjay kayo pa, isardang men.
Pangasiyaw, kamsat, gan gagayam, naputno nga gayam. Nagpakasi kayo.
Papasige pasit apo ko madindin kami.
Uy, ano pa tiwaras ni mama din? Sunga.
Papasige pa yung apo. Ang kami ngagtukaran no, di kayo nga dungag.
Okay, then.
Papasige
Ito
pasit
na.
po.
Ayan, more money, more money.
Okay, get ready.
Papasige pasit apo, tapno ko ha, makatukar kami, makakanta kami. Dagi di ubing ka na lang.
Ubing, pila.
Tumugaw pa yapo, dagi tayo ubing-ubing.
Ubing.
Dagi tayo ubing apo.
Bing lang ano, abo, bing.
Ubing lang.
Ititorbot na.
Awan tagi doron. Awan tagi doron, awan.
Awan tagi doron.
Rumar pa lang apo, dagi tayo.
Kita kwa, naganak. Pangasiyaw, apaw.
Lapasi kayo, nagsalamin, nagsalamin! Hey!
Kita nyo, dagi tayo ating yung
Patsuk. Okay, salah.
Hey!
Patsuk. Salah, boy.
Patsuk,
Patsuk.
patsuk, patsuk,
Patsuk.
patsuk, kissy face, send to your phone, dog. I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red bars, comes on you.
Magwala-wala kami, wala-wala.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the patsuk. It's whatever, it's whatever, it's whatever you like. Oh, turn up this up and turn the come. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night, day. Got me, girl, what's up? Whoa, whoa. Don't you walk
You crazy.
don't you worry like I need you now.
Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just think me out.
Oh, may tigas ka. Don't you worry like I want you, babe. Don't you need me like I need you now. See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Yan.
Thank you.
O, rita naman nun. Lagpila.
Haluatan nyo tatay nyo, mabantakan nyo ha.
A minha amiga Fran desce com dedinha. Desce com dedinho na boca. A minha amiga Fran.
Ada hep ready giant nih.
Hip hip! Hip hip! Okay. Walang aja eh. Papalaan nga na eh.
Power Beach Club.
Ada kita tubig!
Nagdado tubig.
Alawatan nyo tagat ating nyo anay. Mabandakan nyo.
Day jay. Kuryente. Gorila nga po. Datipin mo to. Nagputok? Ano kita mo?
Hey! Sayaw! Sayaw mga chong! Sayaw mga chong! Luwatan nyo tayo uping na eh. Hindi kayo mapasit. Luwatan nyo. Makasih kayo uping. Hala, sige uping. Oh, tatanay. Tatama na. Maya. Pakasih kayo na, Mayo, pakasih kayo. Lagi tubig, ito yung lantan. Baka may duron yung ito yung papananda niyo ko.
Power Beach Club.
Okay.
Caliente, quiero que lo muevan las chicas independientes. Vuelta y boom, ja, de frente. Pa' yo te imagino en 20 poses diferentes. 20 que no.
Quay sao mới gặp lần đầu mà đôi mình quay anh ơi anh à, anh bắt bùa gì mà lại làm em yêu vậy baby em nói từ đầu baby can you say mai đi coi ngày sau cái ngày nào thì nhà mình đóng con vậy nếu như một câu nói có thể khiến anh vui sẽ suốt ngày luôn nói không ngừng để anh cười nếu em làm như thế trong em có hâm không đi điên lắm đêm ngày vô nhà thương đêm ngày vô nhà anh để thương giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình tình tang tang tình tang tình tang tang giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình
Akag din ron, Bing. Oh, lalpason. Oh, Bing, rumwar ka ron to Bing narumwaran. At anog din ron kay Mat. Anda maganasan nga agpa-bitor no kasta, nagkagaraw kayo. Okay, man kano man apo. Aming man umay dito ay saluna tagsala kayo. Agsagasagana nagilig party ka na nagluto apo. O aming manakman nga mayat ka sumala ni salunan. This piece is for you. Ayan na nag-iba naman na po! Agpating na! Ayan na, agpating na! Aming naman! May kayon!
Magsala naman na natin.
Anya ti salaan nyo, rock. Rock ka naman na... Ay, budots. Ay, yung gano budots. Napili na pa imot. Budots ka naman, sir. Ma'am. Oh, wait lang yung music yung apo. One tayo sa Ghana da. Ayan, ano silang apo. Ay. Yan, ano si apo. Tayo sa Ghana da lang yung request yung abot nga. Ayan yung request yung?
Budots.
Budots. Ayan, budots.
Napan lang nagwagwag kayo, apo, di pianista tayo.
Napan lang nagwagwag di masik nga kadwana, apo. Napan lang yung wagwag diit. Talagang asal-salera ni Kit ko na eh.
Parang nekla pa.
Ulo, masatane.
Check. Break your heart ka no. Request daw.
Okay. Request ni Madam nga Mads. Break your heart ka no. Sigurado, amuyo dati step na. Hindi pa naka-leader yun ni Madam. Dito kayo. Okay. Sigurado kabisado talaga ni Ma'am Sistoy. sabay. Sige, mangilit kayo, ating ikaw. Ayan. You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just what I'm all about, and love you joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms goodbye to the farm. You can tell
Salutin niyo ang Lady Dancers.
or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they will be reaching out for you no more. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it understand. Oh wait, I strip on my heart, my achy breaky heart, he blow up because this man.
I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your doctor about my leg. I'll tell you privately. Hope this can tell my lips. They never really like me anyway. Or tell you what Louise to let me to you please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Hey!
Or you can tell my eyes to what's up on my mind.
Yeah.
Ain't about to walking back to me today. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it honestly. Have to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it honestly. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Here we go! Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it honestly. If you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man.
Nih, mayat ditagay na ni Mother Earth. Nay, ay, kampay.
Get one and pass. Pasam di bangir. Next. Bigyan mo tayo ng kulang.
Agitang tangat kayo ito isang wanan, madama magayang purwak na talikutaan.
Okay, dahil suyusoy. Dahil suyusoy. Mang suyusoy nandagam. Mang
Forma circle po.
sinanumnum. Siyamat lang ay di tanong. May mayan si deng-deng. Hey! Umisip ka ay kayo, hadimot ni nam-nam. Problemas ka sa samsam, ipatayaw san dagang. Iyak pa'y ikang kansyon, may ilak sinanlobo. Ipugaw man iibaw, hindi ang maul-ulaw. Yan muyak pa'y ibuga-bugaw, Hornos kapiyak may lusaw. Sige! Datating startan sera, datating niya. Kita man. Gayam ko bumangon ka, tangadempay ibdaya. Man dalag kapon siya dan siya dinamnama gayem ku adik ka maupay didigran isumambay si kabunyan makauway basta bilin na giyong usuway man suyusoy nandagan man sipa sinanandun siyamat lang ay di danong may wayang si dengdegan nung ay si dong ilay insinali dumaan dong ay si dong ilay insinali dumaan okay sayaw oh datari mong tilinan montanyosa anakan iliam kay gurutan daiso ikadagdalan a probinsya ti Pagilya gapo iti galawan na iso nga pinagkapat ka Benget ifugaw punto ken kalinga apaya ilibigay sagada nagaduti turista ijay punto di kabisera
Agsasalada po di kalsada
di sentro na
Halwadan nyo lang po
may sabit na kapintasan dito'y sa lubungan hinagdan ang Cavite Rice Terraces jay Banawe kakabsat ang madaydayaw inkaman ipasindayaw tattao jay nangunag is na respeto ken nadayaw
Another dance for all ayog-yog tayo mananapo na hindi magbagi tayo
magbagi tayo kung mabagbagi tayo
yeah
Ana iyug-yug mo sabat na mayug-yug
Nay, adati padak di tangahawan titum
sige sala
Ha, 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 ha.
sige sayaw mga chong here we go and I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side
Wait up
and the love you gave to me makes my heart beat
Yeah
when my plans to fly away but my feelings make me stay I see the fire in your eyes it makes my heart beat
Let's go
do it listen to it night and day you're my old time lover do it listen to it
Either way
like there is no other come on
Let's go
touch right touch
me touch
you're my old time lover skin to skin
Amo na gadot na
come under my cover hey
Ups, anyo kayo doon? Dagiti lalaki pangasyon yung idol ni ito.
Ubeng, isang naman tagibar para sa tigwa kong pormeta. It makes me a turtle down.
Kita nyo ba si Tabo dagiti anak nyo?
Hanggang magibal-balang di papel itabo. Night and play. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light. There's a fire in our hearts, night and day. Sige! Do it, listen to it, night and day.
Night and day.
You're my old-time lover. Do it, listen to it, in a way, like there is no other. Let's go! Touch
My touch, we touch.
you're my old-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Hey! Awan na dito ron.
That's right!
Ayan.
Let's go! Do it, listen to it. Night and day.
Night and day.
You're my old-time lover. Do it, listen to it.
Hit away.
Like there is no other.
Let's go.
That's my touch. You're my old-time lover. Skin to skin. Come under my cover. Do it, twisted, do it. Night and day.
Ayan. Okay na?
Sige lang, sige lang. Here we go. Another 10 cents.
Tonight is not a stay on my own. Feel like taking a walk. I can't stop the tricks I can play. Oh, babe. The time you first took a sip on me, you looked at me as you were a dream. And suddenly I made up my mind. Oh, by the look in your eyes, I know it's surprise. The times that we are all over now. I'm abandoned and meeting someone who's suddenly swift. Now, gone away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll sweep the night away.
Shout out!
Makes a difference to walk in our dream. Cause probably you change your mind. I just can't picture it now. Oh. And as me the spot day by day, it's been searching for a reason you ain't gone. You said to me I can't get my blood here, babe. By the look in your eyes, I knew with surprise. The times that we earned all over now. Standing alone, still needing someone. Her suddenly split the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We sweep the night away.
Okay. So maraming salamat po sa mga sumayaw sa dance floor. Ngayon tatamad apo, ikantay man tigundaway nga pansumala. dagiti coming itamianan, Cacho and Reyes delegations. Okay, Cacho and Reyes delegations. This piece is for you. Anya sonata po. Ana, rock music kano. Aji kano Bartek.
Kawawang Bartek.
O kawawang Bartek man, ma'am. Okay, Cacho and Reyes delegations. This piece is for you.
Yan. Another requested song. Kawawang Bartek na naman na po. Si Boy ang kawawang Bartek, hindi siya gumagastos. Narawot siya sa arakas, jay din sa pulutan. Hinot-hinot siyang naglilibas, pagsiit at kulang na lang ang nasa lamisaan. At doon sa tenga ng kalsada, mangmangig siya na naglalaw, nagtatanggol, nagtsatsa-tsa kahit walang tukar. Ang kawawang Bartek, palaging nauulaw, nagtatayak ng kanyang lubong. Ang kawawang Bartek, dahil sa sobrang di mapigilan ang magsasatway, agang sagpay jay idana. Nagunod isket mamartag, hindi siya gumagasto. Narawot siya sa arakas, jay din sa pulutan. Hinot-hinot siyang naglilibas, pagsiit at tulang na lang ang nasa lamisaan. At doon sa tenga ng kalsada, mangmangig siya na naglalaw, nagtatanggot, nagtsatsa-tsa kahit walang tukar. Ang kawawang Bartek, palaging nauulaw, nagtatayak ng kanyang lubong. Ang kawawang Bartek, dahil sa sobrang Bartek, di mapigilan magsasatwaan. Agis bupay jay itnana. No si kay kat mamarte, amin nga urat lumte. Nagbangsit ta sangaw, nagbangsit ta sangaw, di pagpukot maulaw. No tubay to iti nagrugiam, agran niya pa nagkita. Weno masubraam, weno mapalalwam, di monton ang tikinwa. No, lumitom day takutil mo, ay ang kalmanganikan. No di ka mamengga, makamukan,
Kailangan ng gasolina, nagsala.
No, lupitom day takot mo ay ang kananganikan. Nudi ka mamenga, makamukan. Umay manan, umay napunilan niya. Ada taman ni Mama Adelina. Anggal. Yeah.
Gasolinahan na eh. Nabigay ng gasolina eh. Pang gasolina yun eh. Ayan, thank you so much, Katchen Reyes delegations. Thank you, these ay Tangasunata, sirs. Okay, so may I have all your attentions and witness the blowing of candle cakes of our dear celebrator, Madeline. So, please, dear ate, proceed at the cake table for the blowing of candle cake. Asan yung lighter? Insan? San Marilu, paki-prepare yung cake. So, may we request everyone to please sing a happy birthday song?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Everybody!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Kanta amin. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, sabay-sabay tayo magbilang ng 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Blow the candle! Ayan! Palakpakan natin!
Happy birthday!
Okay, ngayon naman, ating pakikinggan ang message coming from our dear celebrator, none other than Ate Madeline. Palakpakan naman.
Hello. Da? Hello. First of all, I want to thank God kasi nikanak man nanti another year of blessing, abundant life. Aji blessing anted na napo ti another year. Oreno ado nga panubok nga nagpaspasarami for the past few years. God is always good. Di na kami nga binaybayan, the whole family. I want to say thank you to our dear Lord, especially, and to everyone. Kada kaya amin nga kakabagyak, kakabaranggayak. Amin, awan labas na. Thank you. Especially, di last year nga may inyawid ni Mama nga ano di jay pangawag na nang pasina kanya na I know it's our birthday, dua kami ni Mamang January double celebration kan kanay ko. This is the first time nga aming makadua ni Mamang celebrate the birthday me. So yeah, thank you kada kayo amin. iti ayat yung payo kada kami nga may anandingay during the time of morning ti panag ladladingit mi ti papanaw ni mother mi kada kami di last year. So may the Lord bless us all. Ni apo ti mang bendisyon kada tay amin nga pada-pada. So the watak nga let's all celebrate. Let's all celebrate. Thank you, thank you. And be safe everyone.
Okay, once again, a big hand to our dear celebrator, Ate Madeline. Palakpakan mo pa yung Apo once again. And now at this moment of time, meron pa surpresa. Okay, let us all welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Kea and Angelica. Music Maestro! And Marky also. Ayan. Okay, picture, group picture. Ayan. Come. Ate, kami. Family, all the family members, please. All the family members.
Celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time.
Thank you so much, Kea, Angelica, and Marky. Ayan. Okay, any message, Kea, from your mother? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the only daughter of Ate Mads and Kuya Edgar. Let's lend our ears to the message coming from their loving daughter, Kea Aloha. A big hand, please.
Happy birthday, Mom. Thank you for all the things you do for me and always the sacrifices that you take and then buying me all the things. Buying me everything, even though, you know, we don't have enough money. You try your best. Even though I have a lot of stuff in school, you still try your best to help me, even though we don't know at all. I hope for more years to come in your life. And happy birthday, Mom. I love you.
Ayan, palakpakan naman. Thank you so much for that wonderful message, Kea Aloha. So how about Uncle? Any message to Ate Mads? Okay, let's party. Let's enjoy the night. Ay, raffle. Adapay, one more. Adapay, may isa. Okay, let's have another raffle. Mabalin ka no tagkanta, ma'am? Sino tag-request apo tatitig kanta? Okay.
Mabalin pa yung sala ti dancer.
Mabalin ka no nag-sala na tayo. Okay, dagiti request ka po nga the guest singer tayo, mabalin latta. Okay, cousin, pick one. The only one remaining. Okay. Okay, may extension. The extension na po ti live band tayo. Another 1 hour. Ayan, so let's enjoy the night. Enjoy Ate Mads for her great celebration, 46, right? 46 mo natin. Okay! Yellow! Ticket! Rapid. Okay, 0, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 5. 0-2-6-7-8-5 10 9 8 7 Yellow insan, yellow 6 5 4 3 2 1 wala, may sapay. Red 706-727 706-727 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 wala, 2 and 1 wala daw. O ikaw na mabunot. Oh, yellow 8855 94 8855 94 10 9 8 Uy, adda. Uy, adda ni 885594. Ayun. Asan ka? Liga dito, baby. O, picture mo lang na. Nakong. Picture. Dito ka. Ayan, congratulations. Sino apo tatay di kumanta tatayan dito yung banda na tamyanan? May we have your presence here in front? Remio Rapper. A big hand, please. Remio Rapper. Ayan na po. Our guest singer.
It's a celebration.
Asan po siya, sir? Remio Rapper, where are you?
Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A dedication to last throughout the year.
Ayan.
So bring your good times and your laughter too.
Sir?
We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on.
Merong kopya, ma'am? Meron ka babasahin? Karaoke lang ta kami, sir.
Let's all celebrate it.
Okay, done na. Wala na tayong raffle with one in Alpasen win. You may keep your ticket.
Nembag nga rebete amin kapsat. I was that you probably been crying ever. In the sky, took me nothing. To you, the mirror. I just wanna talk about it. How you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I start alone with shadow heart, color of my heart. Oh, the deep black for the night, be the star in the sky. Don't mean nothing to you, tell a mirror. I just want I still want to listen to my heart. Oh, my heart. My heart. I just wanna talk about it, how you brought me down. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay, what to listen to my heart. Oh, my heart. My heart. My heart.
Niya po.
Akala ko'y langit.
Akala ko'y langit.
Okay.
Shakul angka.
Yeah.
Lo. At tinangay ka na ng hangin, papalayo sa akin. Wala nang iisipin, kaibangan ko'y natapos din. Nasanay na akong magulo ang mundo, sanay na akong malayo sa'yo. Wala na itong maganda mong alang nagkakapi. Alisin ko na rin larawan mong nagkasabi. At tinangay na rin ng usok, naglaho na at may tuldok. Di na makakapasok, tapos na ako sa pagsubok. Alam ko nang may tama ang mali, alam ko nang ang sobra may sukli. Dahil ang isang katulad mo'y iwag na mariki, at akong gamo-gamo na sa'yo napalapit. Kala ko'y langit, bakit ang init? Lala dahil sa pagtitiwa. Akala ko'y langit, bakit ang init? Huli man daw ang pagsisisi, may umaga naman pagkatapos ng gabi. ko nang may tama ang mali. Alam ko nang ang sobra'y may sukli. Dahil ang isang katulad mo liwanag ng marikit. At akong gamo-gamo na sa'yo'y napalapit. Akala ko'y langit, bakit ang init? Lagi na lang nag-aalala dahil sa pagtitiwa. Akala ko'y langit, bakit ang init? Huling awang pagsisisi, umaga naman pagkatapos ng gabi. At inangay ka na ng hangin pagko sa akin.
Akin na naman to.
Thank you so much po. Okay, so, dapat i-request na di ko na mapipigilan. Andiyan request mo, ma'am.
Okay, let's have another set of requests. Sa ating agundaway apo, ikantay man ti sunata nga mapati ngungoten nga punong barangay ti barangay Nangonek. The Honorable Nomar Dominguez. Surota na mo tagiti Piciales na. Kentanods na apo.
Yan, sa requested song, di ko na mapipigilan ni Dolwan ka na po ni Barangay Captain.
Okay. Di ko na mapipigilan, Kap. Go. Balse ka numot, ma'am. Balse.
Can you just stop, Balse?
Balse, ma'am. Balse.
Ah, sige po. Yan, another waltz. Mr. Love, will I find him tomorrow? Do your best, Mr. Love. I'll be waiting today. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have the time, he'll be mine once again. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Yesterday was so fine. He'd been walking beside me, and he said you'll be mine till the day we both die. But he left me last night, and my heart broke inside me. I
Mar Dominguez and Council.
To me, another kasad song, di ko na mapipigilan.
Okay, so may we request na kiti apo kosineros, kosineras. Ato ko sunata sa lain apo kay Vocal 1 ni Mr. Ronnie Sapido and Company.
Ikaw ang siyang binubulong, di mo lang alam ang nararamdaman ko. Pag ikaw ay nakikita, ako'y nilalamig na sa kaba. At pag di ko napigilan, ako ay malulunod na saya. Di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan na aking nadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan na ikaiwasan at kalimutan ka. Di ko na mapipigilan pa ang aking puso na ibigin ka. Anyunay nga sikgan. Salakay latan. Sa damdamin ko, ikaw ang siyang ibinubulong. Kung alam mo lang at ika'y magtatanong, ikaw ang pinapangarap, laging hinahanap na mata. At pag tayo'y nagkikita, ayoko nang mawalay pa. Sinta, di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan na aking nadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan na ikaiwasan at kalimutan ka. Di ko na mapipigilan pa ang aking puso na ibigin ka. Ikaw ang pinapangarap at laging hinahanap ng, thank you po, mata. At pag tayo'y nagkikita, ayoko nang mawalay pa. Sinta, di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan na aking nadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan na ikaiwasan at kalimutan ka. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking puso na isipin ka. You're my heart, you're my soul, I'll keep it shining everywhere I go. You're my heart, you're my soul, I'll be holding you forever, stay with you together. You're my heart, you're my soul, I'm feeling our love will go. You're my heart, you're my soul, that's the only thing I really know. Deep in my heart, there's a fire burning hot. Deep in my heart, there's desire for a star. I'm dying in emotion, It's my world in fantasy. I'm living in my dreams. You're my heart, you're my soul. I'll keep it shining everywhere I go. You're my heart, you're my soul. I'll be holding you forever, stay with you together. You're my heart, you're my soul. Yeah, feelings I'm in love with love. You're my heart, you're my soul. That's the only thing I really know. Love is a burning fire, say. 'Cause then the flames grows higher, babe. Don't let me steal your heart. It's easy, easy. Girl, this game can last forever. Why? We cannot be together, try. Don't let them take your love from me. You're the good, can't you see? Brother, Louie, I'm in love, set her free. Oh, she's not gonna tell me. Only love breaks her heart. Brother, Louie, only love's paradise. Oh, she's only gonna tell me. Brother, Louie, oh, she's only gonna tell me. Oh, let it be. She's undercover. Brother, Louie, oh, doing what he's doing. So leave it to me, 'cause I'm a lover. The boy wants to come but stay. There's more than he can handle, girl. Come on to stay by me forever and ever. Why does he go on pretending that his love is never ending, babe? Don't let him steal your love from me. You're no good, can't you see? Brother, Louie, I'm in love, set her free. Oh, she's so looking to me. Only love breaks her heart. Brother, Louie, only love's paradise. Oh, she's so looking to me. Brother, Louie, oh, she's so looking to me. Oh, let it be. She's undercover. Brother, Louie, we're doing what he's doing. So leave it to me, 'cause I'm a lover.
Just for the stars, and it feels right, and it for my heart. Make it feel like take me away, make it okay. I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so we'll wait for the show. Now I'm waiting, you see I'm kicking. My ego is weak, I could give a shit.
Yeah.
And it goes like this. Pick me by the time I
tell me by the time I
just need you to cry. I show
you want the moves the time. I got the moves the time. I got time. Where's the ball?
I look into try.
Out na po yung mga boys.
Look into
Lumisik ka na naman sa kita yung boys.
You had the moves
that time. I got the moves that time. I got time. Like time good.
Baby, it's hard, and it feels like the pocket is scarred.
Yeah.
Nothing feels right, but when you're with me, I'll make you believe.
Go, Manzana dances.
So get on the car,
very energetic.
You can ride it wherever you want.
Dance.
Get inside it if you want to steal. Buy up some pictures, I'll take it from me.
And it goes like this.
Take me by the time I know you. You still you run, I show
You wanna move the top, I got to move the top, I got to move like Jagger.
I need to try and control you. Look into my eyes, I know
You wanna move the top, I got to move the top, I got to move
like Jagger.
You wanna know how to make me smile, take control, hold me just for the night. Wanna share my secret, I'm gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. Hey, hey, hey. So what you learn, I won't tell you twice. Head to toe, oh baby, rub me right. But I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. Hey, 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 hey.
And it goes like this. Take me by the time I
Take me by the time.
It's between you trying and show
You want to move the top, I got to move the top, I got to like Jagger.
I don't need to try and control you. Look into my eyes, I know
You want to move the top, I got to move the top, I got to like Jagger. Ups, you wait po. Dance for all. Down the
Sunday morning, I'm with the light. I think I'll take a walk in the park.
Hey, 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 it's a happy birthday. Yeah,
I've got someone
waiting for me. And when I see her, I know that she say, hey, 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 it's a happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday, mamas. Ha, 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 happy birthday. This is my beautiful day. When you say, Ate Juliano,
say that you love me.
yeah, ma.
Oh,
Ang sala kayo lang na ako.
it's a happy birthday. Birds are singing,
You by my side,
let's take car and go for a ride. Hey, 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 it's a happy birthday.
ala.
We'll drive on and
Follow the sun, making Sunday, come on in on. Hey, 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 it's a happy birthday. Okay, come on. Hey, ha, 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 beautiful Sunday.
this is my
beautiful day.
when you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a happy birthday.
Ha, 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 happy birthday. This is my beautiful day.
When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a happy birthday. Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above you. I can hear music playing can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me. I love you.
Yeah.
Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah. Rise on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness, would you meet me in the hallway? Rise on the pipe, means you ain't gotta show. If you look at your window tonight, pull on the string, then no touch to my heart. With how many times I saw you, how many times I told you, only in my dreams you tattled the kiss of my heart. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, rise on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness, would you meet me in the hallway? Rise on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. Sing it, sing it!
Oh, 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 caught in a bathroom, yeah. Ra, 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 rama, rama, ma, ga, ga, la, la. What's over wrong, is ra, 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 rama, rama, ma, ga, ga, la, la. What's over romance? I want you ugly, I want you to say, I want you everything as long as you're free. I want you love, 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 love. I want your love. I want you drama on the touch of your head. I want you leather side of kissing the same. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. You know that I want you, you know that I need you. I want it bad, you better romance. I want your love and I want you to get. You want me equal on a bed romance.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I want your love and I want you to bed. You want me equal on a bed romance.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, 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 caught in a bad romance. Whoa, whoa. Ra 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 bong, kamatis ken tarong, gaga galunggong, tilapia ken otong. Ra 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 bong, kamatis ken tarong, gaga galunggong, tilapia ken otong. I want your horror, I want your design, 'cause you're a criminal as long as you're mine. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. I want you psycho, your vertigo sick. Want you in my room when your baby is sick. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. You know that I want you, you know that I need you. I want it bad, you bad romance. I want your love and I want your revenge. You want me for on a bed romance. I want your love and I want your revenge. You want me for on a bed romance. Oh, 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 caught in a bad romance. Whoa, 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 caught in a bad romance. Agmamama, 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 mama. I wanna hold her like the Joe in Texas, please. Hold her, let her raise it, baby, stay with me. I love it, lucky situation. Play the cowboys, play the start, and after it's been no call, play the one that's on his heart. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him hot, show him what I've got. Poker face, poker face. Hug mama. Hug mama. Mami Sampay. Hug mama. Mami Sampay. Hug mama. Kitaan niya. I wanna roll with him, my heart we will be. A little gambling is fun we do with me. I love it, love it. Situation play the car was made to start. And after his big gun, I play the one that's on his. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him hot, show him what I've got. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him hot, show him what I've got.
Jesus got to like the body.
Come with me, now we can win my poker face. Jesus got to like the body. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker mama. Yeah.
Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba?
Yeah, nagragsakan.
Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay nababalisa. At pag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip, kundi ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko, ika'y ikalimutan. Ngunit hanggang ngayon, ko makakayanan. Pagkat ikaw ang lamsalang ng puso ko't isipan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. Hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan.
Mother Imelda Aldaca Cortez, thank you so much po. Mother G.S.
Paano ko kaya masasabi sa'yo na ikaw ang tinitibok ng puso ko? Ang laging nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Asahan mo ito, sinta, na hindi na maglalaho. Pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. Hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. Hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw, sinta, At bakit nagkahiwalay? Sa puso ko'y di matanggap, pagkat mahal kita. Ako'y nananalangin
na makapili ka. Ang ibig kong sabihin, lahat ay gagawin ko. Kalukuran ka, kalukurang sobra-sobra. Kasarada rin mata, pantun ng daka. Lawin na kagapit mate ko, huli ka'y lulugod ka ko. Lawin na ka-udyo, hanggang atin ka pang tao. Yan, susala-sala lang po. Tuwado nyo na kapag sa kalsada.
Kapag naaalala ang dahamong kay saya, mulit-muli bumabalik ang tamis pagsinta. Ako'y nananalangin na makapiling ka. Ang ibig kong sabihin, lahat ay gagawin ko. Kudyo kalukuran ka, kalukuran sobra-sobra. Kasarada rin mata, pantong ng daka. Lawin na ka aking mate ko, huling ika'y lulugod ka ko. Lawin na ka kudyo, hanggang ating kapangtao.
Thank you, Ma'am Jules Loretta. Another 100 stars.
Nais ko lang isuko ang iyong pagmamahal. Ako'y lalaki lamang, marunong magmahal. Kapag naaalala kahapon kay saya, mulit-muli bumabalik ang tamis ng pagsinta. Ako'y nananalangin na makapiling ka. Ibig kong sabihin, lahat ay gagawin ko. Radyo kalukuran na ka, kalukuran sobra-sobra. Kasarada rin mata, pantong ng daka. Lawin na ka aking mate ko, huling ika'y lulugod ka ko. Lawin na ka udyo, hanggang magkikakanta ko. Lawin na ka udyo, hanggang magkikakanta ko.
This is how you do it. Everybody do it. From the left to the right. That's the way you do it. I will do it. I will do it. Everybody's another way. Hey girl, you're looking so fine. What do you call it? I know what I'm.
You get your pie. You get your collar jacket. Take the water to the pie.
This is how you do it. Everybody move it. From the left to the right. That's the way you do it. I will prove it. I will prove it. Come and do it. Everybody sing along, baby. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, girl, you're looking so fine. You know you're on my mind. So maybe you and I should spend a little time. Cause I would like to know what makes your body go. I promise I'll be gentle and take it really slow. This is how you do it. Everybody do it. From the left to the right. That's the way you do it. I will prove it. Come and do it. Everybody sing along, baby. Oh, hey, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Bob. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. We like to party. We like to party.
We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. Sige, sayo!
Yeah! Something to tell you. I got news for you. Gotta put some wheels in motion. Get ready cause we're coming through. Hey now, you wanna say I'll be there. Just eye on the corner. Hey now, you wanna say we'll be there for you. The big bus is coming and everybody's jumping. San Francisco, I'm in the city disco. Now there's a turning, the traffic lights are burning. So if you like to party, get on and move your body. Oh, we like to party. We like to party.
We like to party.
We like to party.
We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party.
5, 6, 7, 8, my boots good, baby. Driving like a crazy, my possession, I'm a western. My dance flow date, my rodeo, Romy. I can't be got from head to toe. Wanna make you mine, better than a line. 5, 6, 7, 8, oh! My boots good and baby is dropping down the crazy. My upstairs from a western, my dance blue date. We're rodeo, we're on me. I can't be got from head to toe. Wanna make you mine, better got a line. 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot kicking finger, then a shoulder shop. Spaghetti, mama, spaghetti, pataas, pataas ng pataas. Stop begging, pababa, pababa ng pababa. Stop begging, pataas, stop begging, pababa at pataas. Appear tayo, sumakit ang ulo ko, sumakit ang bewang ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Appear tayo, sumakit ang dibdib ko, pero maliit ang dibdib ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Stop begging, pababa, pababa ng pababa. Stop begging, pataas, pataas ng pataas. Stop begging, pababa, pababa ng pababa. Stop begging, pataas, stop begging, pababa at pataas. Makinig kayo.
Ayokong pumaya, ayokong tumaba. Ayoko rin matulad sa isang tambuhala. Ayoko sa lahat, iyong butot malat. Ayoko rin tawagin na tabadyo'y at payat. Ang gusto ni Chupot ay sexy, sexy, sexy. Kaya mag-exercise, dyan ang aking masasabi.
Appear tayo, sumakit ang ulo ko, sumakit ang bewang ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Appear tayo, sumakit ang dibdib ko, sumakit ang dibdib ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, taas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa at pataas.
Igiling ikaw.
Yan ang aking masasabi. Api tayo, sumakit ang ulo ko, sumakit ang bewang ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Api tayo, sumakit ang dibdib ko, pero maliit ang dibdib ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa at pataas. Five little monkey, happy dumpy. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang ko 3, nakatago na kayo. Kayo po na nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a to be a twinkle star. How di ka naman ibatotin. Meow!
Tayo'y mag-ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho na, ocho-ocho,
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 ocho-ocho.
mag-ocho-ocho na. Mulat ng mata, pag-gising sa umaga, iunat ang kamay, bumangon na sa kama. Kung inaantok ka, lumundag-lundag ka. Aha. Kung wala pa rin, huwag mo nang pilitin. Buksan na lang ang TV o sarado ay hanapin. Tunog at bagong step na nakakagising. Hihihing.
Kado mo na.
1+1, Magellan. 2+2, Lato-Lato. 4+4, equals 8. Doblehin ang 8.
Tayo'y mag
Ocho-ocho,
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 ocho-ocho.
ocho-ocho,
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 ocho-ocho. Ocho-ocho na.
Hindi lang pampatibay ng butong matambal, ito ay pampahaba ng ating buhay.
May ipin man o wala, lahat ay sumabay. Ahahay,
Kung wala pa rin,
huwag mo na pilitin.
sara lang ang TV o sa radyo ay hanapin. Tunog at bagong step
Na nakakagising.
Hihihing.
1+1, Magellan. 2+2, Lato-Lato. 4+4, equals 8.
Doblehin
Ang 8, tayo'y mag Ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho. Ang marbe. Ocho-ocho na. Ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho. Mag ocho-ocho na.
Pamilawan,
Igalawang katawan, pamilato, kumimbot ng ganito.
Pamilatre,
Parang pinipilili,
pamilabor,
lagayain ang ipon.
sumayaw, kumalaw,
Na parang natutuman,
gumiling, humiling
na parang natutuling. Wag lang sumakit ang ulo nyo. Sipot-sipot, igalaw ang katawan.
Pamilado,
Umimbot ng
ganito, pamilatre,
parang kilikiliti. Pamilapot, lagayain ang ipon.
sumayaw, kumalaw, na parang natutunaw,
Humilig na parang natutuling. Wag lang sumakit ang ulo nyo. Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Pag inaamoy, pag inaamoy, pag inaamoy, anong sarap. Ang bango-bango, ang sarap-sarap, amoy ng bulaklak. Bubuka ang bulaklak, papasok ang reyna, sasayaw ng cha-cha, ang saya-saya. Bumtiyaya, 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 bumtiyaya. Ask him yummy, ask him good, ask him yummy, ask him good, ask him yummy, ask him good, ask him yummy,
asking you.
Bulaklak,
Bulaklak,
bulaklak sa buhay ay kailangan nang magkakulay ang mundo. Bulaklak, bulaklak sa buhay ay kailangan nang magkakulay ang mundo. I'm busy throwing him that he keeps me saying, don't have to think about it. I wanna ease it, everything around it, but it's still distant. I wanna feel his body, I can't resist it. I know my hidden lips can be deceiving, but how obvious should a girl be? I was taken by the early conversation piece, and I really like the way that they respect. Thank you, Bob. I've been resting patiently for him to come again. I wonder if he knows that he can say, and I'm feeling. I knew I had my mind made from very beginning. Got this opportunity to say you and me could feel it. Cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push your button and let me know before I get to wrong. There I go, you gotta miss the break that I told you. I'm busy showing him what it been missing. I'm kind of showing up for his full attention. My sexy as I got him in the new dimension. I'm ready to do something to relive this mission. After waiting patiently for him to come again, he came into and asked me, I wanted to go with him. I knew I had my mind made from very beginning. Had this opportunity to say you and me could feel it. Cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get to wrong. There I go, you gotta miss the break that I control.
rock baby, rock baby, rock, rock baby, rock. Rock baby, rock baby, rock, rock baby, rock. Hey, 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 hey. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay lalo na naiiba. Come on and rock me tonight, ako'y sa'yo forever. Kaya't ibus mo na pagkat tayo ay together. Rock baby, rock. Rock. Rock, rock. 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 Rock baby. Rock baby. Rock, rock baby, rock.
Yes, happy 300 viewers, bro. Thank you so much.
Rock baby. Rock, rock baby, rock. Rock baby, rock. Dahan-dahan lang. Rock baby, rock. Ako'y mag-aabang. Rock baby, rock baby, rock, rock baby, rock. Rock baby, rock baby, rock, rock baby, rock. Hey, 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 hey. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan,
let's go, girls!
ako ay lalo na naiiba. Come on and rock me tonight, ako'y sa'yo forever. Kaya't ibus mo na pagkat tayo ay together. rock baby ride. Rock baby, rock baby, rock baby rock. Walang iba ang sasarap sa pagtitigilan natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pagdalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Ang kasiyahan, tunay na pagmamahalan ay mararamdaman lalo na't kung nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
What's up?
Panahon natin ay nag-iiba, kaya't sundin masasayang awitin. Nararapat ng tangingin. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Sabik ng mahalikan, mayangkap at masayaw sa ulan. Ang mundo'y gagaan, mundo ko'y gagaan. Maligaw man ang landas ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan, dumiliman ang paligid ay ikaw pa rin ang ilaw ko. Bakit uhaw sa'yong sayaw? Bakit ikaw di bibitaw sa'yong sayaw? Laging ikaw ako giniginaw. Halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Hindi na mapagaling, puso'y nagmamadaling lambigin ang suyuin ka. O aking giliw ako'y iyo, kahit na matali Bakit ikaw sayong sayaw? Bakit ikaw di bibitaw? Sayong sayo, laging ikaw. Ako'y ginaw, halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw.
Ako ang nakikita, ako ang nasisisi, ako ang laging may kasalanan. Pagising sa umaga, sermon ang almusal, bago pumasok sa eskwela. Kapag nangangatiran, ako'y pagagalitan, di ko alam ang gagawin. Ako'y sunod-sunuran, ayaw malang pakinggan, nasasaktan ang damdamin, ako'y walang kalayaan. Sunod sa utos lamang. Paggaling sa eskwela, diretso na ng bahay, wala naman akong abutan. Wala doon si nanay, wala doon si tatay, katulong ang naghihintay. Tatawag ang barkada, sa kanila isasama, lagot na namang paglarga. At pag nangangatwiran, ako'y pagagalitan, di ko alam ang gagawin, ako'y walang kalayon. Sunod sa utos lamang. Guys, keep on dancing, let's go! Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo, basta't alam mo lang tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin, kung papatulan mo lalo ka lang aasarin. Rosie Palasi, sino pa sila? Rosie Palasi, sino ba sila? Ituloy mo lang, gawin ang gusto mo, walang mangyayari kung sila'y papansinin mo. Talagang ganyan, wag mo lang patulan, wala lang magawa, kaya sila'y nagkakaganyan. Rosie Palasi, ba sila? Kahit ano, basta ikaw, walang problema. Kahit buhay ibibigay, hindi pa nga kukusinta. Dahil ayokong malayo sa'yo, magmukha man akong gwapo. Pagkat pinamahal kita, o giliw ko. Kahit ano, basta ikaw ay aking susundin. Kahit ito'y susundin, wag lang akong mabibitin. Siguro ay wala na akong dapat pang ipangamba. Sa ganitong paraan, di mo na ako iiwan pa. Sabay-sabay! Bexman, mamatay man, basta't iyong kagustuhan. Hindi magdadalawang isip, ika'y aking pag-ibigyan. Buong oras ko, iukol lamang sa'yo. Bulaklak para sa iyo, piso tupok ang piling ko, may kasama pang lobo. Kahit ano basta ikaw, matutupad ang pangarap. Kahit hirap ay sasarap, habang ako'y kayakap. Huwag ka sanang maniwala sa sinasabi nila. Hindi mo ba nakikita sa aking mga mata? Ito na, sabay-sabay! Bexman, mamatay man, basta't iyong kagustuhan. Hindi magdadalawang isip, ika'y aking pag-ibigyan. Buong oras ko, iukol lamang sa'yo. Bulaklak para sa iyo, puso tumpong ang pili ko, may kasama pang logo. Ano mo basay? Bexman, mamatay man, basta iyong kagustuhan. Hindi magdadalawang isip, ika'y aking pagbibigyan. Buong oras ko, iukol lamang sa'yo. Bulaklak para sa iyo, piso tumpok ang pili ko, may kasama pang lobo.
It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hits you when it's too late. nothing but a fool's game, standing in the cold rain, feeling like a cloud. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love until your arms break, then he lets you down. Having right when love to share, when you find he doesn't care for you. Having right to need someone as much as I depending on you. Oh, it's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love him till your arms break, then he lets you down. Yan. Grabe na ginitan sa istaya po, matibay mabantan na. Yan. So palakpakan naman 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 sa dancer. Headed right, we love to share. When you find he doesn't care for you. Having wants to need someone as much as I depending on you. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love until your arms break, then he lets you down.
Okay, ito na, sabay-sabay.
Okay. And I say,
Hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah,
yeah. I said, hey, what's going on?
Okay, one more time.
And I say,
Hey, yeah,
hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, I see that. Come on, everybody, sing. And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. See that. What's going on?
Ito na.
Said my life is still trying to get up this big hill of home for a destination. I realized quickly when to that world that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I can take a deep breath and get real high. And I see the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah. I see what's going on? And I say, hey, see that? What's going on? And I try, oh my God, do I try? Hindi na po I try all the time, and this is the truth. And I pray, oh my God, to pray, pray for single day, for revolution. just to get it in out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little bit peculiar. Sorry po, hindi na po kami mag-extend map. So I wake up in the morning and step outside, and I could take a deep breath. I can get real high and I see the top of my lungs. What's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, 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 I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, 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 I said, hey, what's going on? Yan sa akin, ganakam lang apo 12. Kasi 5:30 kami napukot, naggunay kami yung tatay. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry po. Kasi nagkapo kami pa apo di San Juan, nagdiretso kami apo dito. Sorry po, ganakam lang po 12 p.m. Ay, 12 a.m. po.
Okay, that's our final song.
Alas 12 po. Sorry po, ang kami mag-extended ako talaga nabandog mo nagkala po. Nabandog na ako to kami. 5:30 a.m. po nga nag-rain kami datay. Napang kami nga po J. San Juan, Ilocos. Sorry po, sorry po. Ano na po, ami pilit na po talaga. Nag-stop kami po.
Okay, come on, let's go! Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, hawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay, kapayapaan. 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 Kulay man natin magkaiba, mundo natin ay iisa. Maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay, kapayapaan. 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 Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig,
Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig,
naghihintay sa halik ng langit.
naghihintay sa halik ng langit.
Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig,
Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig,
naghihintay sa halik ng langit. Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay, kapayapaan. Kapayapaan. Kapayapaan.
Thank you po, Uncle.
Kapayapaan. So much po.
God bless po. Thank you so much.
Kapayapaan.
Ayaw mo kaulaw, nga ikaw nga nagsayaw, sasayaw sa bukid do. Ayaw mo kaulaw, nga ikaw nga nagsayaw, sasayaw sa bukid doon. Say, yeah, 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 yeah. idana, 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 idana. Maubya, maubya, maubya anong sayaw dini sa bukid mo. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Ikaw pala'y salawasaw, bakit ako ay pinaasa? Sige, inibig pa kita ng lubusan, at ako ay iyong hiniwan. Nilimot mo na ang sumpaan, pati ang tamis ng suyuan. Linulot mo ay kasawian sa aking pusong nagmamahal. Darating din ang araw na iyo'y madarama, ang pag-ibig kong ito, sinta, dapat sa'yo kailan pa man.
At sa aming mga viewers, thank you so much po. Ti Anas, yung nang buya kada kami nang ito dapat ibigat. Aging natatapo, nagpuypuyat kayo. Inananusan na kami na po nga puya. Thank you so much. God bless po kanya yung aming mga viewers. May ako.
There is a light.
Yes, and of course.
Certain kind of light.
Yes, man, thank you so much.
Never shone on me. I want my life to be, to live with you, to live with you. There's a way. Everybody say, to do is in every little thing, but that's the sin. If I ain't got you,
yeah,
ain't get you, oh, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. In my brain, I say your face again. No break in my mind. You ain't got to be so blind. And I'm blind, so very, very blind. I'm a man.
You're a man.
Can't you see what I am? I live and breathe for you. But what does it do if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Okay, so once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, Ma'am Madeline. Happy birthday po! Yan, all the way from Hawaii.
Thank you so much.
Mahalo ko nun sama di ma'am.
And also to Sir.
And Sir Bubot, thank you so much po.
Thank you, sir.
Also from Hawaii daw po, thank you so much po.
Wala ni tatay-tatay. Igay Hawaii, bubuyan na kanang.
Hi.
Okay na sa final song, salamat!
Po, thank you so much po. Thank you, Ma'am Mats. Opo, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am. Sorry po.
Salamat at tayo'y magkasama muli. Salamat at sa pagbawi ng uhaw ay may darating na araw. Kahit tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan, kasamang maasahan. Salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Kanta kay Ame.
Okay, lahat-lahat.
And once again, happy birthday po, Ma'am Mans, all the way from Hawaii. Thank you so much po for having us tonight. Sir Bubot, thank you so much po. Di pa nagbuibuya yung Apo J Hawaii. At kita viewers ng Apo, kita Hawaii. Thank you Apo Hanlang Apo nga dita Hawaii. Kadagitiya. Madami na po dito balasyo tao. Agyamyaman kami Apo tiya. Pinang-apresyaryo. Tiya performance ito.
Ayan, kanahin nagbubuya ka na kami.
And of
Thank you so much po.
Ang pinakamagaling. Yeah! My one and only Mr. Jorda. And happy birthday, Ma'am Mans, all the way from Hawaii. And of course, our dancers for tonight's event, Manzano Sisters. Yeah.
Sisters from Santa Lucia ba?
From Santa Lucia po. And we are the Sweet Blend Band, Mr. Darby Dasaya, Mr. and Mrs. Sarda. Duo, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Go. Thank you.
Thank you kada kayo amin. Amok nga nag-enjoy. Thank you to support kakabagyan, kabaranggayan. Kada kayo amin. May the Lord bless each and every one of us. I thank you. I hope nga naparagsak kayo, nagragsak tayo amin. Ti kayat ko kat maparagsak kayo. Dahil lang ti wish ko. Maparagsak kayo, matulungan kayo. Oray no basit lang, matulungan da kayo amin. Yeah, dahil lang ti kayat ko. Na urnos, natal na, kapya, ayat, ito mong kalmaysa. Kung sa wansap sa bali ka na tayo dito, ya. Agkakabagyan tayo amin. So, thank you guys, thank you. Hope na maulit-ulit bago kami agawid. Yeah, I'll see you all. Hope. One, kalding. Oray, sa nga bagun nga pansit. One. And then, tantay ni Madam. Madam, thank you the Sweet Blend Band from Santa Cruz. Followers ni mother ko. Dami amin. Father ko from Hawaii. Followers na kami. So, thank you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate a lot. So, ang kami nga nagkamali, di panangpili ka na kayo. Thank you. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Cheers! Cheers!
Thank you, Apo. Sige nga doon, Apo, nakon nga makapag-shoutout pa, ititagagay sa nga naganyo. Basta, agyamyaman kami, Apo, kada kayo amin nga mga support mga et, Apo, ti Sweet Blend Band. Sa pala kumaapot ang kayo po nga mumuma kanyami. Thank you po. God bless po.